so now we're going to work on the illusion kick. Now this is a very strange technique, very effective, very unpredictable, and I will have to say this is a very difficult technique to get down because it's just such an awkward movement, it's very unnatural. So here we are. This is a spin technique, and as I'm spinning, I'm coming back the other direction with a roundhouse. Now we know there's many ways to pivot. Pivoting over, stepping. We have the normal spinning side kick. I'm here, I'm pivoting. Then the round kick happens. So I pivot to side facing, roundhouse. This is more of a snap kick. However, you can try to follow through to get more power. But the concept is, your opponent is avoiding spinning techniques, and you're making them run right into a spinning roundhouse, basically, but it's a spinning roundhouse coming from the opposite direction. Showing you slow motion where the hip alignment is. Pivoting on the ball of the front foot. Here. This is where the hip has to be. Chamber. I'm basically changing directions, and you have to do this without a pause. Here. That's it, slow motion. Just getting that concept of getting that hip aligned. And I can land with my shoe, because remember this is the street, and I have shoes. They're an extra weapon. Here, pivoting. This technique can also be very effective to the body. I'm here, turning, hip. So this is a very unique kick. I highly suggest adding it to your techniques because it's not seen that often.